Hey guys, Dave Johnson with City Motors here. Here we have our 2015 Jeep Wrangler, and hang on to your socks because this thing is awesome. This thing has all the extras that you know you want for your Jeep. Start with, you're going to get your upgraded bumper here with your Quadratec winch there. You're going to have your Quadratec lights there, which are awesome, especially at nighttime. It looks really good. You're going to get your premium alloy wheels because this is the top of the line Sahara package, which gives you your painted fender wells. And that's a huge deal because we've all seen Jeeps with the unpainted surface that just fades horribly. This isn't going to do that. That's why people love Sahara so much, along with a bunch of other stuff you're going to get. This one comes with the upgraded Rugged Ridge cold air intake and snorkel kit. Which is going to drastically give you a lot more power there, which is really nice. Getting that cold air into the engine versus hot air from up underneath makes a big difference. And you're going to also draw no water if you do happen to go on some light trail rides. This one is going to give you your running boards and of course your Sahara package. You're going to get you your Sahara badging. You're going to get your hardtop with a luggage rack, which is awesome. You're going to get your upgraded tow package there. So that is designed to handle any type of winch that you might want to add on there, or if you want to add a bike rack or something like that, you do get the upgraded tow package there. Back here, of course, what I love with the soft top or the hard top is that that's going to flip right up and give you very easy access into your cargo area here. So you're going to have a ton of space here. You do get your bag right there that is designed to hold your two front T-top pieces that'll slide right into there and keep them safe, and you can tie them down right there so they don't slide around or anything. 60/40 split folding rear seat. I have a full pictorial of that at citymotors.net. Make sure you check that out. Again, the premium alloy wheels there. Back here, tons of room. You're going to get your premium upgraded soundbar. This isn't your stock soundbar. That is an upgraded soundbar. You're going to get your mud mats there. You're going to get the upgraded oversized cup holder system there, which is really nice, really unique. You don't see that very often. Up here, you're going to get the Sahara embroidery, which is really nice. Adjustable height on that seat. You're going to get your auto lamps with fog lights. You're going to have your duplicate audio control. You're going to have your cruise control. This one in 15, you're going to get the actual speedometer display digitally there, which is really nice. You're going to get your premium upgraded Alpine audio system with navigation and Bluetooth. This is over a $1,000 option from the factory. Super nice to have a large touchscreen display. The only way to have one of these things, in my opinion. It's awesome. Of course, your power windows, air conditioning, looky there, heated seats, awesome. You're going to get your power mirrors. You do get your automatic transmission with your Tiptronic feature. If you don't know how that works, make sure you visit my tutorial section on Tiptronic transmissions. You can see how that works. You do get your four-wheel drive system. You do get the 150 watt 115 volt AC power outlet there, which is good for powering laptops or charging camera batteries, whatever you need to do. You're going to have your oversized center console. Again, very clean, and this does come off in a T-top fashion, which is going to stow in that bag I showed you earlier back there. Again, very clean, super clean. This thing has not been off-roaded, beat up, abused, nothing of the sort. This thing is a one-owner vehicle, and look at how clean it is. I mean, not scratched up, scraped up, beat up. This Jeep hasn't been beat on at all. In fact, here at City Motors, we're going to give you a 6-month, 7,500-mile warranty on this. That is a coast-to-coast warranty with roadside assistance. And I say coast-to-coast, which means if you're out of the area, no worries, you're still getting a warranty that can be serviced in your hometown. Do not miss this one. Don't be worried about buying far away. You can call us at 540-433-7335. You can text that number 24/7. One last thing, are you concerned about processing fees? Don't be, because we have no processing fees. Don't pay those ridiculous fees. We don't have them here. Don't miss this one, guys. It is very hard to find these 15s in this price range. Very clean, ready to go, perfectly maintained by the one single owner here in Virginia. Don't miss it. We hope to see you soon. Thanks for stopping by.